welcome back to my channel, my Spartans. It's your girl Helen of Troy again today. We're back. It's currently March. I'm filming from my phone still because I haven't gotten an SD card for my camera, but we're gonna get to that soon because I have some videos to upload that you guys are gonna see prior to this one. If you checked out my last video, let me know what you guys thought. Do you guys want to see more hair videos, which lands into today's video, which is gonna be me using the OLAPLEX kit that I got for my birthday. If you guys remember, we're gonna do a curly version of it, and then I'm gonna try it later on, like another time, straighten my hair. So this is what my hair's looking like now. I'm about to go for a walk. I did go to the gym, so I might also do a little trim. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna be doing that on my hair today. I'm gonna show you the before and after, and let me know what you guys think down below if you want to see more hair videos, because I know I'm doing a lot of vlogs, but my vlogs are just like a little bit of everything that so you guys could feel for like what this channel is about. It's not just one type of content type of channel. Like, we do everything on this side. So make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Helen of Troy with 3 underscores, and add me on Snapchat because I'm back on Snapchat if you want to see real-time updates. It's Helen G with V's, so HVLVNG. I'm gonna put it on the screen. So this is what I'm gonna be using. This is the OLAPLEX Smooth Your Style Hair Kit, and it's like mini not samples, but mini size of each product. So I'm sure the products are not that much bigger. I already opened them before. So long, Frizz, your smoothest, strongest hair is here. This limited edition styling set delivers 72-hour frizz control, max style shine, daily heat protection, and weekly damage repair. Get the strong start. Every style needs a simple routine for visibly healthier hair. So it has 3 steps. Here's the hair perfected, the number 3, and see maximum benefits by applying to damp hair from scalp and for 10 minutes. And then, so like I could use just this one by itself or all 3, like 9, 6, 7, and 9. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex around you, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose. As you guys can see, I don't know if you can tell the difference. This side has all products in the hair. This side just has number 9. It is very much more defined. I did trim my hair a little bit. It does look shorter. I did, you know, the unicorn butterfly cut again because my hair was like maybe up here, but we needed a little more volume and a new style for, you know, spring coming up. So I'm about to do this other side and get back to you guys, like check in periodic hair air dries because I'm air drying it. But that oil was so hard to get out. But it says to use half a pump of this, but I'm using, you know, I have a lot of hair, so now, like you see these layers right here, that's what I wanted, especially when I blow dry my hair. But we're gonna do no heat for like 2 months, so my hair's gonna grow even more. Shout out to my aunt Melissa for getting me this gift for my birthday. So super cute, and I'm excited to be able to use one of my gifts to create, you know, some content and memories with you guys on what I love doing my hair. It's reminding me why I started YouTube in the first place. Hablamos ahorita, mi gente. when I last checked in with you guys was 2 hours ago, and it was 4:49 when I finished putting the products on my hair. It's been approximately 2 hours. It's 6:50 right now, and my hair is like maybe 50% dry because the top, as you can see, is still you know, like shiny. So I know that it's wet and I touched it a little bit. I'm trying so hard not to touch it, but overall, you know, the cut is giving a lot of volume, so I can't wait to see 100% dry. Then I have this new bonnet by Scotch Bonnets by Danny that I bought, and I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time, and it's the perfect time because I just washed my hair, and it's like a velvet purple, and it's reversible, so like the satin side. I'm gonna be wearing it like this. It came in like this simple, you know, black bag with a little business card with instructions on how to wash it. So follow her on Instagram. I cannot wait to show you guys what my hair looks like when it's fully dry 100%, and what it looks like when I take the bonnet off, because this is really important. And I got it in the size large because your girl got a lot of hair and I don't like when bonnets stretch. So I'll check back in with you guys in a few. Okay guys, so I'm watching America's Next Top Model. You can tell by the background that this is what the hair looks like. And I don't think it's 100% dry though, but it's definitely on the dry side. It's like maybe 90%. My roots take a little bit, so by tomorrow it'll be 100% dry for sure. I'm gonna put my bonnet on in a few, and then all of these hairs like in the front are gonna take better shape. It's just I don't like having my hair on my face when I do like my skincare and stuff, because I also have product on my hair, so I want it to be kept away. So tomorrow it'll look a little bit better. It's just I had the clip on earlier when I was making the green juice, so I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow. And I honestly give this, for right now, an 8 out of 10. Like, I feel like I like it. Like the curls are defined. They look like bouncy. I just could have separated and focused on the sections a little bit more, but we gonna do that maybe next time. I don't know. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think so far of the hair. Like, yeah, digging it, because I miss wearing my natural hair sometimes. Okay, guys, so good morning. Hopefully I'm showing you myself good, but I'm on my way to work. This is what the hair is looking like, you know, fully dried. I have different curl patterns, as you guys can probably tell. This part right here though is like driving me crazy because it's just like up. It's probably the way I put it in the bonnet, but so far so good. Like my hair looks really nice and moisturized, curly. It's not 100% because I didn't do it by section. I just did it all together. I'm sure if I did it by sections, it would have looked completely different. My hair looks really big also because I did that little trim. It might not look like anything to you guys, but you know, it is a big difference. And when you guys see my hair straight, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see, like, depending on when, because if I'm gonna do a 2-month you know, no heat, like my hair curly was a little bit like right here, and then straight it was already there, so you know, we cut it. And as you can see, I have two-tone red hair. I love it. Reminds me of when I had the blonde and the, you know, the dark brown or black, the Beyonce days. That's what it reminds me of. But yeah, guys, let me know what you thought of this transformation. It's really hard to vlog like this. Do you guys like my hair? Yeah, like the new cut. I like it. So I'm still gonna stick with like 8 out of 10 with the OLAPLEX, because I'm sure it's really expensive, and you know, the products, I have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna be needing a lot if I choose to use this in the future. Let me know down below if you want to see me try it with straight hair, and I'll get that video out for you guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hopefully with my camera.